Hello again. Well, after today's fairly decent weather for most of us, there is some rain moving in tonight. Also some strong winds as well, but I think a lot of the south and the east of England at least should stay pretty dry. Now, as we head through tonight, we'll see this band of rain working its way into the north and west of the UK. Some pretty wet weather to come for Western Scotland, Northern Ireland. But ahead of that, across a lot of England and Wales, it turns into a relatively dry night. And it'll be quite a mild night, much like last night was. Most places should stay in double figures. It does mean that first thing tomorrow it's a wet start, a wet commute across those similar areas, a lot of the north and the west of the UK. And there's a yellow warning in force for the heaviest of the rain across the Cumbrian Fells and parts of northwest Wales. Here we could see, well, a good 2 to 4 inches of rain, which means some localised flooding and also some surface water spray. Ahead of that, though, another pretty fine day, perhaps not quite as sunny as Tuesday, but some sunshine nonetheless. Here is where the best of the temperatures will be, because this is a cold front, which means colder air is moving in behind. So temperatures across a lot of Scotland and Northern Ireland maybe only get into the low teens, whereas ahead in a little bit of sunshine we should see 17 or 18 degrees again. Now, after a pretty decent day across a lot of the southeast, it's your turn to see some wet weather. So the evening will turn that bit cloudy, that bit wetter. No real heavy rain, but certainly dampness to come. But for the rest of the UK, things clear through. That rain moves through, and for most of it, it ends up being a fairly clear night. Just 1 or 2 showers across the far north of Scotland, maybe Northern Ireland. But a clear night means a cold night as well, which will mean it's a pretty sunny start for most on Thursday, but a chilly one too. And we should hang on to a good deal of dry and fine weather through much of the daytime. But much like we saw on Tuesday, bits and pieces of rain will just try and creep into the far north and west of the UK as the day wears on. And temperatures ever so slightly down on those that we've seen at the start of the week. Highs of 15 or 16 degrees. Bye-bye.